The Nyotrap National Youth Movement (HNYM) has raised strong objections against what it perceives as a growing threat posed by the unchecked influx of non-indigenous individuals into the state of Meghalaya. In a formal meeting with the Joint Commissioner of the Labour Department, the organisation submitted a memorandum expressing concern over the increasing presence of non-locals who it claimed have gradually taken over economic opportunities traditionally held by the indigenous tribal population through ownership in trade and commerce. According to the organization, this trend is steadily eroding the economic foundations of the local communities. Addressing the media, HNYM Vice President Marshal Nonglait stated that the organization was deeply troubled by the manner in which outsiders were gaining dominance over various business activities in the state, thereby marginalizing local entrepreneurs and workers. The HNYM also criticized the existing procedures governing the entry of migrant laborers into the state. It voiced strong disapproval over the fact that laborers are reportedly being allowed entry through infiltration gates simply by producing an acknowledgement slip which only indicates that they have applied online for a work permit but does not confirm approval or verification. The organization maintained that such lax practices are unacceptable and pose a serious risk to the state's security and economic integrity. Marshal Nonglait added that the organization had urged upon the Labour Department to implement a robust regulatory mechanism, including mandatory police verification and thorough background checks before issuing trading or work permits to non-locals. He stressed that such measures are necessary to ensure transparency, accountability and protection of the indigenous population's rights and to prevent any long-term socio-economic disruptions resulting from the influx of non-local workers and traders into Meghalaya.
Kajingwan kajongi kalong pa halor jong kani kajing kiau jong kini kibab jela kiba wantrai hang ni ko jela jongi kiba ombyang kita ki dokumen lani kita ki legal dokumen kiba kila bantrai hang ni Namar manha kaniro ngi dang yo ban bat kumba sau kali ai ki bawan kiau sania ki yo bat na po nong po ki ong bangin wan trai sani po kadala jongi te tangila pan ki kot kisla ki jongki tangila ngila check kadon betang ni ka acknowledgement slip kamot kani ka acknowledgement slip kadai ki ba ki chu apply online ya ka work permit ling ba ka Labour Department te hakajing sisa la dayu atang ka acknowledgement slip te kampat dan jingmut hi kan bakin wan trai sania namar lalong baka government lani kata ka department ng government kampat approve ya kan ya te kalong ka ika ba hero ba menta kum ba pipai hakinu ni gijaka hakinu benta jong kari jong ka sar silong jong ila ni what should do sunong kandong dong ila adap do kinong trai bar sala sudah amtan su taw nong trai kasi teladang ilek ong bangin check yaki ladang ilek ni ong bangin pet kita ki dokumen joki hatu ki degi beri hatu ki degi babyang ne ki bombyang ki banwan sini kim tan ni kita ki ibro ki suwan kum tu te ka pas ngawlingo kalong ba kum no ba kani ka Labour Department ka trai kam ha kanu kanong rem ka ba kini kita khar ki yo banwan rong bat ki ban yo banwan trai lai duit hang ni ki hadian ka jing ya kendu jung nang ni ki ong hana ba kila bi ban apply ya kata ka online link ba hoi kata la ban apply online ya ka work permit link ba jong ka naka website jong government tang ba jing sha ka den kam ban pen i hang tu ba ka police verification ka di ban kam khnang ba nginduk tip ba utu brio ba wan trai hang ni ko jela jongi udi bakum no le si udi gang ubala adap le si bun kliki crime na sti support ka jela ka jong u wan chani u apply dan kam tang ya ka Aadhaar card ulayo ya ka work permit wan chani ya wan chani udan da kawai gijingmot himla ban tip ya kata wan chani akumba unwan bala tang ba le ki kam ula ban fuam gi gang ula ban le kini kam gi babian kumba pila adab jui bakala aja ka jala ka jongi menta ka jala jongi ka dap ka jing susi ba ka jing khamran te lingba jongi gi ai khang ba kanwan rai ka jing thap ka jing sok ka jing sngai la ni ka jing pahu kam pho jam yaki do kisnam gi jongi ro ka sakrong ai ka sang bingin man ban ya ha bayade berkata kaliang tinggi EP bak department government ki bopun hi batalat hi pantri kam kimpat champang kimpat kot buar hadu kata-kata bakin trai katkum kata ka kian ani katum kita ki rukam ki badan kam ban pantri kam ya kan department namar kumbang ala akran mania hi lada ngim Tada unu dakar ni unu barjalan wantrai hang ni klam ka police verification klam ka jingtip hatu di ubriu balong kumno le asi di ubriu bala ali asibun teligi kam ki basnius ka jala jong u le asi di ubriu ba dan ha kanu ka bental ni dan bat kinu ki kenduan ki bali kam pentriam kata kam don jingtip telada lingba jong police verification de kamat nila man pensisa kan tu ubriu di babhane u basniu tela kata khandiat kalala banti ala kam ka ya ka jingwan rung jong ni ubriu ki basniu chani spot ka jala jong ni namar ba yaman tahi te kamat kumbang ipe hing ta manu la te panrung hang ni ki peni ki kot isla ki lingo ki infiltration gate ki badan hang ti hapo bernihat ro ngong ki dakar ki bang i obat mana kani ngong ngakum no na infiltration gate melat ki ong hangi peni kani ka acknowledgement slip tinggal lingo ba tang ka acknowledgement slip ka peni baki apply hang ni bikin wan try hang ni ling ba ka labor department kumno ki lala ban wan rung hapo hing lia ki hatok kentan ki an ki bala banti la kam ki